Here is a glimpse of the construction that is taking place in Battambang on the railroad. At the railroad station, we see thousands upon thousands of cement tiles that are being brought in to fix up the line between Phnom Penh and Poipet. This line should be in operation within another year, as so they say. As you can see, the rail yards here in Battambang are quite extensive. Okay, here's a truck over here bringing in more supplies and a friendly driver saying hello to us. Yes, they're bringing in steel rails and they're bringing in the cement ties. And little kids are running around the construction.
Okay, we have the railroad station here.
Okay, we're going to go head around this truck over here. And we're going to walk over to the terminal. And we're going to take a quick look inside at the waiting area. And as you can see, this has been unused for several years. But with another fresh coat of paint, they will be back in action. This is the arrival-departure side of the terminal. Okay, we are back on the front side and we're out of here. I'm going to let these guys do their job.